Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create posts with only text within TikTok. So as you see, I'm now on TikTok, and what you need to do is you need to tap on this plus button in the middle, in the middle of your screen, completely under your screen. Tap on the plus button, and as you see, this will pop up the film making screen, but you need to scroll all the way to the right and tap on text. As you see, this screen pops up, and here you can just type text. So for example, you can say, or you can type subscribe to this channel, something like this, with a nice smiley. And you can make the text smaller or bigger by swiping this down or up this this thing. Let's make it very big, and here you can change the color of the text. Let's make it red, for example, or let's do black. That's a bit more readable. And here you can change the font. So let's select classic or typewriter, Comic Sans, serif, heavy. I don't know. You can change a lot of things, a lot of fonts you can choose from. Let's do Comic Sans, for example. And when you tap on this A icon, you can change the background, or if you want a border around the text. So for example, like this. And here you can change the position of the text. That's center it. And as you see, you can change the background just by tapping on this color or on this icon with the with a preview of the background. You can change the color very easily, and you can tap on the sticker icon to add a poll, support a non-profit, or you can add a location or a lot of other things. You can add the private or change the privacy settings, and when you tap on this kind of YouTube icon, you can you can save to your drafts. So as you can see, TikTok added automatically music, goofy music they added. You can delete this by tapping on this cross icon. And you can add sound, or you can change it very easily by just searching for a music, or just selecting music that they provided or they recommended to me. For example, daylight, like this. You can select it, and now daylight is selected. So once you're satisfied with the result, you want to publish this, you just need to tap on post to feed, and this text post will be published to TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.